Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Funda. I'm about to show you how to create a talking AI avatar in just 30 seconds using 100% free tools. You heard right, no pricey software, no coding skills needed, just imagine your own digital doppelgate spouting your witticisms and wowing your audience, ready to unleash your inner AI avatar. Let's do this. First, open dubdub.com. I will provide the link in the video description. And sign up using your Gmail account. In this video we will show 3 ways to create an AI talking avatar. So don't miss any part of the video. First, we will use a pre-built AI avatar template. Go to the AI avatar section and select any template, even male or female. Click on apply this template. Here you can use your own picture, but I will provide instructions later about it. Click on the next button. Next, paste your script. Here, upload your voice. Finally, click on the Generate Talking Avatar button. Click on the Generate button. Our first AI talking avatar is complete. I will share a demo video at the end of the video. Now I will show you how to create your own talking photo in the AI avatar section. Click on Upload your image. I recommend adding a green screen background for better results. Next, paste your script. Similarly, upload your voice. Finally, click on the Generate Talking Avatar button. This is our last and amazing option for generating a talking avatar. Click on Create AI Avatar. Type your avatar description, meaning the type of person you want to generate. After typing the prompt, click on the Generate button. It will give you 4 different images. Select any one or regenerate for better results. Again, type your script. Finally, click on the Generate Talking Avatar button. Before showing you the demo video, please note that this website is currently free and I do not know when it will become a paid service. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorial videos.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Funda.
Hi, welcome back to another AI tutorial video.